Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous session we have seen video overview in detail. So in this session I will teach you how to create mind map. Okay, so I have opened a new notebook here. Okay, so let me add some resources. So what I'm planning to do is I'll take a simple use case of skincare brand. Okay, so I have this some of the search items. So how to start skincare brand, cosmetic regulatory compliance in India, D2C skincare business model case study, uh, cosmetic product development process document, and organic skincare market growth statistics. I'll just say latest. Okay, let me do the let's do the deep research here. All this time we have just done the fast research. Okay, this is going to take little bit more time, looks like. Let's see. So it has done a deep research and come up with around 20 resources for this. Okay, let's import them. You can also look at them and select. Okay, or deselect whatever you don't want. Okay, it has automatically cited in report and not cited. I'll not go into detail here. I'll directly. Okay, let's say Mamaearth competitive position analysis. Okay, and guidelines on stability testing of cosmetics. Let me search here. Okay, let me import this. We rename the notebook to something like this. Okay, building an organic skincare brand from scratch. Okay, this will be our title. Okay, it is fetching the details from 23 sources. Okay, since we have already seen these two, let's go to mind map. Okay, mind map doesn't have any particular uh, settings. It is directly a click and go. Okay, let's see what this mind map will produce. I have no idea what details it has fetched. Okay, just to see, it has already created. Let's open this. Okay, if you see here, Indian cosmetic industry and regulatory standards. So it has listed everything in detail, right? So regulatory framework, product standards, licensing, labeling requirement, manufacturing models, business economics. Okay, it also gives you the detail of each and everything. Okay, so it has reduced lot of your time. Okay, so in detail, it has given you everything. So this you can either download as a PNG. It will appear something like this. Okay, so this is about how you can create a mind map. Okay, so it's very straightforward. In the next video we will see about how you can create a report. Thank you.